Hi everyone. If you have recently purchased a Carrier air conditioner, registering it for warranty is essential for service support. So here is how you can do it step by step. So first of all, you need to come here on the official product registration page by Carrier. So you can search for productregistration.carrier.com URL in the search bar and you will be landed here on this particular page. Now over here in the step 1, you need to provide your serial and the model details. So here provide your serial number, then select your model number. After that, provide the installation date, the brand and the category ID. So you will find all of these information on top of the unit. Then simply hit next in the bottom. Now on the next page, you just have to provide the equipment owner, then select the equipment location, dealer information, warranty information. So you just have to simply keep on providing all of these details one by one. Then simply upload the information about your product purchase. Afterwards, in the final step, you just have to review the details and submit your application. Once you have successfully done that, you will be able to basically successfully register and save your warranty confirmation email. After that, you can take a screenshot of the registration page and it is going to help you simplify future service claims. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.